Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and when I was a teenager, first starting to get into makeup, I never ever wore lip liner. But then I went to a professional makeup artist and he introduced me to my very first love in the lip liner category, this MAC lip liner in the shade Spice. My love for this lip liner has been going on for many years now, and let me tell you why. I find the slightly pinkish brown shade to look so natural, and it blends with such a wide variety of lipsticks. I've worn it with nude shades, with brownish lipsticks, and with pink shades too. It just seems to blend in seamlessly with whatever shade I wear and gives me that perfect natural amount of definition. The application is really smooth and seamless, and I find the color payoff to be perfect. It helps to give my lipstick look a more polished and defined result. I have definitely expanded my collection of lip liners, but I always find myself going back to my first love, this MAC lip liner in the shade Spice. And that's my point of view.